In a quiet living room, a robot vacuum turns evil and starts chasing the family cat. At first, the cat runs, but then it flips dramatically, landing on the vacuum like a cowboy on a bull. The vacuum swerves and crashes into the wall, defeated. The cat licks its paw like nothing happened, the champion of the house. "I think we need a new vacuum," family member 1 said, amused. "Or maybe some rodeo lessons for the cat," family member 2 replied, lightheartedly. The robot vacuum emits a quiet, defeated beep as a tiny spark flies out. The house settles into a calm night, with the cat purring softly, dreaming of heroic exploits. And once again, peace reigns in the kingdom of the living room.